guys, it's your girl Jackie here, and I am back with another video. If this is your first time tuning into my channel, thank you so much for watching, but do not forget to subscribe and do not forget to tap that notification bell so you will be notified each and every time I upload content. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I actually straighten my hair. Now, I'm just going to let you guys know right off the top, I normally don't do my own hair, but I just wanted to try it out myself and do like a at-home silk press. And then I wanted to give you this super gorgeous look that I created for breast cancer awareness as well as domestic violence awareness. As you can see, I've incorporated the pink and the purple. And just to give it a little bit more oomph, I got the glitter going on with the sparkly earrings and the pins and, you know, just glam. If you're interested in knowing how I created this look, keep on watching.
Okay guys, so to start things off, I actually washed my hair the night before and I let it basically air dry. So now I'm just detangling my hair, and of course you guys know to start from the bottom and work your way up. So now that my hair is all detangled, I'm going to be applying my scalp oil, and this is the Golden Scalp Oil by Another Boss Creation. This is actually one of my clients' products. She does sell it to the public, so I will list her link below so that you can contact her to purchase it. But I've been using this oil for some months now, and when I tell you my hair has grown so much from this oil, but it does really well for my scalp because I do have extremely dry scalp. So basically what I did was I just put the oil in the middle of my scalp mostly and massaged it through. Now I'm just sectioning off my hair so I can start to prep it to blow dry it. So before I blow dry my sections, I do apply my Cantu Thermal Shield, and you guys know you are always supposed to apply some type of heat protectant just to basically protect your hair. You don't want to damage your hair in the process of blow drying and flat ironing. So now that I've completed that task, I'm going to go ahead and section off my hair again. And now I'm going to start to flat iron my hair. Now I haven't put any additional product on my hair at all. I only applied oil to my scalp. So this is just how my hair looks. And also because I do dye my hair black, so it appears super shiny. So I'm just going to go ahead and speed through this. And the flat iron I'm using is like this cheap flat iron from Walmart. I think it's by Revlon or something like that. Nothing special, but it gets the job done. So now I'm just running through the edges really quick just to make sure that I've gotten everything. And it's really hard for me to get to my edges because I really don't want to burn myself. I just try to get as close as possible, and that's about it. So now that everything is straightened, I'm going to section it off again, and now we are going to curl it. I do like my hair to have body, so I do curl the ends. Nothing too tight, but you know, like I said, I do like body, so I am going to go ahead and curl my hair, and then I'm going to finger comb it before I wrap it. Now I'm just wrapping my hair and I'm going in a clockwise direction, And I find it so much easier to wrap my hair after it's been curled. It just seems like everything falls right into place. So I'm going to go ahead and place my net on, make sure that all the hairs are in the net and going in the same direction. And I'm going to move on to my makeup, and once I take this off after my makeup is done, everything should be nice and laid.
Okay, so for starters, I'm going to be using my P. Louise Rumor 2 base, and I'm just going to apply that on my entire lid and blend it out. So for my first shade, I'm going to be going into the Warrior 3 palette. I'm going to be picking up this gorgeous purple, and I'm just going to apply that in the crease and work it up toward my brow bone. So to blend this out, that line right there, I'm going to go into the Jacquiana palette. You know, Edges is my favorite. So I'm just going to add a little bit more purple to deepen my crease just a little bit. So for my lid, I'm going to be going into the Juvia's Place Magic Mini palette. Yeah, the Magic Mini palette. And I'm going to be using this really pretty pink right here. I'm going to put that on the remainder of the lid. The brush that I'm using to pack on this color is my Morphe M167 brush. Okay, so now that I've packed that on, I'm going to go ahead and blend that out. And I'm going to use a clean brush to do so. Now I'm going to go back in with that purple. Okay, so now I'm going to apply the glitter, and the glitter glue that I'm going to be using is by Ben Nye. So I'm going to apply my chunky glitter first. And this glitter I purchased it from Lust and Loyalty. It's like it's like a pink chunky glitter. I can't really show you, but you can kind of see it a little bit. I just dropped a whole bunch on the floor. I'm not going to put too much chunky. I'm going to go ahead and fill the rest in with the fine glitter. I'm going to change my brush though. Using a flatter brush. So being that this chunky glitter sometimes will fall off, I am going to just dip my brush back into the glue. And I'm just going to press it on top of the glue, the glitter that's there. Like that. And then I'm just going to apply my lashes. So the lashes that I'm going to be wearing are the Monroe lashes by Bella Galore & Company. You know, these are the lashes that I've been wearing and I absolutely love them. So I'm not going to tell you about them again. If you want to know about them, just click the link below. So I'm just going to take a makeup wipe and clean under my eyes and get this glitter off my face. Alright, so you guys know we are going to moisturize. For primer, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. And I did use this in my last video, and I must say guys, I really did like this. I like the finish of my makeup as well as how long it stayed on. So I just know not to put as much. I put a little too much on before. Foundation, I'm going to be using my NARS. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Born This Way concealer. So I'm going to go ahead and set. I want my Black Radiance loose setting powder. Okay, so now I'm going to set my contour, and I'm going to be using the Black Radiance True Complexion palette, and this is the light to medium palette. I'm just going to set with my Maybelline press powder. For under the eyes, I'm going to apply this like fuchsia pink. Now I'm just going to take my Morphe 506 brush, M506 brush, with that same color. So I'm going to apply a little bit of that pretty pink shade as the Magic Mini palette in my inner tear duct. This shade right here. Not inner tear duct, I'm going to apply it in my tear duct. I'm going to use a pencil brush. So for blush today, I'm going to be using the Milani blush in Berry Amore. And then for highlighter, I'm not sure what I want to use for highlighter. I'm going to do my Rose Gold Bronzer. And that we're going for more the pink. So I'm going to go ahead and spray my face. I'm going to go in with the brush that I used the blush and just go over top of that highlighter. So I'm going to line my lips with my bold lip liner in the shade Black Cherry. I'm going to go in with my Ruby Kisses Bare Nude lipstick. Then I'm going to go in with my Morphe Boho lip gloss. Then I'm going to go in with my NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Vanilla Cream Pie. And this is going to give me more of a pink. And this concludes my look, guys. Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. Make sure you share this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And if you have not subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe. I thank you so much. I love you guys so much. And I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.